Adding a debit card to your Claro account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth setup. Step 1. Access your Claro account. Log into your Claro account using the official website or mobile app. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one first. Step 2. Navigate to payment methods. Once logged in, locate the payment methods section in your account settings. This is where you can manage your billing information and payment options. Step 3. Select Add Debit Card. In the payment methods section, look for an option to add debit card or add payment method. Click on this option to proceed with adding your card details. Step 4. Enter card information. Fill in the required fields with your debit card information, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Make sure all details are entered correctly to avoid any errors. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your card information, review the details for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Save or Submit button to complete the process. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your debit card has been successfully added. By following these steps, you can easily add a debit card to your Claro account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Claro customer support for assistance.